Alright, what's up guys? In this video I want to show you a very educational thing on how to land a aircraft carrier on an aircraft carrier. I know it sounds insane, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna experience this. So basically, right? You got the basic plan, right? We're just gonna hit launch on this bad boy. Put the old helmet on, and just look at this. We just wait a second. Let it all do its thing. Now you might see some weird things floating in the sky. Let's just set everything up, shall we? Now I'm gonna show you guys something funny. There we go. All right, we're a freaking aircraft carrier. So, you know, I decided it would be a grand idea if we just land this bad boy on an aircraft carrier. You know, what could go wrong? Once we get in the air, it's gonna look a lot better. There we go. We are just... There we go. Look at that. That is insane. I mean, we are just going around. I'll do some spins. 'Cause why not? I mean, this is just insane. The peak of humanity is in our hands. So I'll fly around a little bit, you know. Just to show off how insane this is. I mean, this is crazy. I mean, look at this. This is insane. All right, so I think it's time for us to land this bad boy. So you're gonna wanna go around. You know, you can't even see my hands. It doesn't matter. We're just gonna do it. You're gonna wanna put the lock down. You know, the hook, the brake lock up. Oh crap! All right, we're good. So I have it in my sights. We are going extremely fast. I need to turn the HUD on. All right, the HUD is on. We're gonna try to do this first try. Put the flaps down to 2. Pull the landing gear down. And you just want to go in. Around 200 knots is good. All right, we're going straight down. Where it looks like we're going a little fast, and I missed the thing. We got to do that again. From the front this time. I think that's a good idea. Alright, flaps to 2. I just have to get a good angle on it. That's the only problem I have. So as you can see, we're just cruising in here. Full brakes, full everything. Here we go. Oh no. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's not good. Yeah, that's not good. That's not good at all. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Okay. Yeah. That was a lot. That was a lot of taxpayer dollars right there. I'm just gonna